Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Elisa Gerara Etang. I am 28 years old, married and blessed with one son. He is 7 years old as of now. My husband is Jonard Etang, a tenant farmer and a construction worker. I am from Pagrang-Ayon, Ramon Isabela. I am graduated in high school and attend a vocational course as of hairdressing NC2. I have three brothers and I am the only girl child. I am a local housemaid. For 2 years, I serve 4 members in a family, 2 adults and 2 children, in age of 5 years old and 6 years old. About my previous employer, I do laundry, ironing clothes, wash the dishes, prepare foods, and mostly special taking good care of the child. And I also an ex-abroad in Kuwait City for 2 years. I finished my contract there. I decided to go in Hong Kong to continue to help my husband and also to help my brother in college. I have a long patience to take good care of children. I can also teach them how to write and read. To my previous employer, please choose me as your helper because I assure you that I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest and independent. I will promise that I will finish my contract and follow your house rule. I will protect your family as my own. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.